I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. It seems like we wait a long time for rain. Then when the rain comes, the amounts are light. A map of last weekend's rain showed this pattern. Rain fell across most of the state, but out west it was common to see less than a quarter inch. In central Oklahoma there was a little more. Rain amounts were close to a half inch. In the southeast there were some scattered bands slightly above an inch. A map of rainfall since April 1st shows the same pattern. In the heavier bands, the rain collected for April has been close to 2 inches. The highest was at Durant, 2 1400ths. Soils are warming. The 3-day average for 4 inches under bare soil on April 9th was in the mid-50s across most of Oklahoma. A burning index map from Wednesday afternoon, April 9th, was filled with bright red and orange indicating high fire danger. The major wheat growing areas showed up on this map as a wide green and yellow band from Altus to Hinton to Enid. There were 5 counties with active county burn bans as of April 9th: Alfalfa, Cimarron, Craig, Custer, and Roger Mills. Here's Gary with a long-term look at our current drought conditions.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everybody. As Al told you, we did get some decent rainfall, especially in the southeastern parts of the state last week. So let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map and see how things changed. Down in southeastern Oklahoma, you can see a little bit more of that white area where all the abnormally dry conditions have been removed. We even lost a little of that D1 moderate drought. But then you look up farther to the northwest and you can see that severe D2 drought did expand up into northeastern Oklahoma. And farther to the west you can see that D4 exceptional drought now covers much of the entire far western part of the state, all the way up into the southern Harper County area and then over into the southern Beaver and Texas counties. Up in the Panhandle, Goodwell comes in with the lowest amount at 37.1 inches over that 42-month period, plus a few days. And the Oklahoma Mesonet site down in Mount Herman came in with 163.2 inches. So a huge difference between the two corners of the state. And you look at that departure from normal rainfall map from that same time period, you can see most of the state is from 30 to more than 40 inches below normal, and other areas are at least 10% below normal to more than 20% below normal. We've seen that Altus is more than 50 inches below normal over that time period. So that's your drought in a nutshell right there. 42 months of drought as portrayed by the Oklahoma Mesonet. Now here's a table for the rainfall statistics for each climate division over that period. A little bit different format. You can see statewide average of about 94 inches, about 31 inches below normal, about 75% of normal, and the rest of the areas of the state are in that range somewhere. These are over larger areas. Southwestern Oklahoma, an aerial average of about 69.3 inches, about 35 inches below normal. And that's really what you see across the state, and that's what you're going to see continue unless we start to get good amounts of rainfall this spring and then into the summer months. So we are in the warm season. This is a time when that drought can really start to take off. So this is a time we really need that rainfall. So continue to hope for rain, pray for rain, and hopefully we'll have better news for you next week. That's it for this week. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.